1, and back off. Another 30 seconds. Nearly done. 2, 1. Right, and back off. Easy spinning. Then have a quick drink.
Hey there, Beasting Over 40 fans. This is a quick recap because we're 6 days in here. So I've lost about 8 pounds so far. I'll show you on the scale here on this video. Lost about 8 pounds and it's going pretty well. I'm still doing my 20 minutes of cardio, high intensity cardio, like I just showed you on the clip, you know, from the TV, just doing cycling. That's all I'm doing basically, nothing special. I started a little bit, I started intermittent fasting. That means that I'm not eating anything till noon and I'm just eating till 8 p.m. at night, and repeating that just to, you know, narrow my window of eating. So now I'm down to about 1,800 calories, which is very low for me. I should be like, you know, 25 to 2,700 calories, but that's all right. It's not a big deal. I can days. All right, so that's the way to do it. It's just a slow progression into that, and I'm going to show you here exactly where I am. Okay guys, I just want to jump in here for a quick voiceover. Okay, so this is where I stand right now. This is 6 days into my cut. I'm at around 212 pounds. These are some pictures from when I started 6 days ago, 220.4 according to InBody. As you can see, it was pretty fluffy. I'm starting to lose some of the fluff. So this was me 6 months ago. So 6 months ago for my Toronto Pro qualifier. All right, so here we are. This is my InBody scan. You can see I'm at 220.7. All right, and we'll take a look real quick as to where we are right now. Okay, so let's see where we are. All right, 212.4, so not bad for a start. Okay guys, I just wanted to do that quick update as to where we are right now. So it looks like I'm down about 8 pounds. So I'm going to make one more small short video with my InBody update after the 10 days is gone. So I was doing, up till yesterday, I was doing 20 minutes of interval training like you saw at the beginning. So I'm going to raise that to 30 minutes, just another video. So all the video links that I watch with my spin bike are in the description down below. Okay, so they're kind of neat. You know, it beats paying for a Peloton, so that's the nice part. All right, the next part is going to be the final after the 10 days to see exactly where I am. I'm also going to do another InBody scan, like I just mentioned. So we'll see how that goes. Like I said, I'm down to 1,800 calories per day. I got 4 days to go. So how am I going to do this in the 4 days? Now, most of this is water weight. There is, you know, maybe a couple pounds of fat or whatever. So you can see from my before picture, which was 6 months ago, which was last June, essentially, when I was show ready. I might do another show here in June, and then, you know, if I feel good, I'll go to North Americans in September. I believe it's in September, end of August, September. I didn't do the Georgia show this year simply because I have some family issues that I need to deal with my daughter who lives in Georgia, so I won't be able to do that this year. Okay, so that's basically the bottom line, is get your calories under control. Do your cardio to burn more calories, and don't stuff your face. Drink lots of water. Okay, so I'm at 1.5 gallons per day. So I end up peeing a lot, but it flushes the system at the same time. So it's a good thing to do. All right, so what do we got next here? So that's about it. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and push the like button. And leave a comment if you want to. If you have something to say, please leave a comment. I will answer your comments. So, you know, if you want some help or advice on something, by all means, that's what we're here for. I will be putting together a program for guys over 40 and 50. We're working on it right now with Frank Castro, the IFBB Pro, my partner and celebrity trainer. So we're going to be putting something together. We're going to start with some new videos every week as to exercise selection for guys over 40. guys over 50, guys over 60, what we should be doing, how many reps we should be doing. There are some videos that we have from chest day, back day, shoulder day, etc. that we have already. We're just missing leg day on that one. So we are working on all of this. I'm the only guy editing, so it's a real pain in the butt editing, but we'll get it done. All right, guys, so thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe, and we appreciate it. We're almost at 500 subscribers already, and we only started like a month and a half ago. So I appreciate it, the team appreciates it, and we'll see you in the next video.